Afternoon and welcome. So good morning, good afternoon and welcome. Good afternoon and welcome to this amazing session. Gail. Good afternoon, good afternoon, good afternoon, good evening. Good evening as we enter the New York session. This is the New York session. Let's see what we expect. This is the New York session. Let's see what we expect. Yo, welcome guys. This is New York. Let me hear where you're watching this video from. This is New York. Let's do our analysis on New York. Matthew, New York. Yes, this is New York, Matthew. Thank you so much. Matthew, niko na news mzuri sana. Nitakukall Matthew, nitakukall after the live. Nilisahau kukupigia asubuhi. But I'll call you after the live. I have some amazing news. So I want us to look at the market. Let's see on what New York has for us. This is New York open. This is New York open. Hivi share ya mnataka isu. Imeng'ara haraka hivyo. Hi. Oh yes, this is not New York. Let's clear. Can we clear our charts? No, let's do a continuation of where we left. Let's do a continuation of where we left. As you can see, the market is consolidating at this particular area within these trend lines. I hope you guys can remember the trend lines we drew. Let me know where you're watching the videos from. We can do a continuation of what where we left. I can see there is liquidity here with around 24k. Yes, there's this liquidity here with around 24k. We have another liquidity here with around 8k. Then we have the other liquidity here with 18k. Wow, ni kubaya sana. So according to my view, the market will come for this liquidity. The market is definitely coming to this liquidity. Francis, hey, VP Francis. Let me hear where you're watching these videos from. So the video is the market is coming to sweep this liquidity. You can see in 30 minutes time frame we have this liquidity with around 24k. So hiyo ni pesa mzuri sana. That's 24k US dollars. Hiyo ni pesa mzuri sana. Nora from Nairobi. Hey, big Jeff Kosgei, big up. So let's do analysis to do what we expect in this market. Remember, this market has been consolidating here, and for that reason it created a liquidity here. That's why we have so many rejections at this particular area. So we can highlight that entire area like that. Yes, we can highlight such an area. Let me hear where we are watching this video from. We can highlight such an area. Very nice coverage there. I think you can do it away with our previous analysis because they played out so well if you follow those signals. So we can just do away with all these parts, all these drawings, but I'll not do away with my trend lines. I hope you guys can remember how to come up with the trend lines. Now remember guys, I have a nice session happening this March. I have a masterclass for the whole week, so registration is ongoing. If you want to register for the masterclass, which will be happening at the HFM offices for a whole week, hapa ni kujua kutrade peke yake, hakuna story mingi za jaba, pure trading the whole week. Registration is ongoing. If you want to register, it's just $150. Then we have the graduation, na tukuwe na party kidogo during the graduation. I'll announce the date soon, so prepare to attend the entire week, Monday to Saturday. Monday to Friday, then we have our graduation on Saturday. And I have amazing speakers. I'll make sure I have a nice guest speaker that day. So let's now do a brief analysis. That was by the way. So we are expecting to see a candle close above this particular area. Expecting to see a candle close above here or below this area. Imagine those are the only traps that we've set for the market. Either candle to close above this area or a candle to close below this area. In our area, this was our previous TP, as you can see. We can go down to lower time frames. Yeah. Si nimeacha tu hapo, mimi sina iPhone. Nienda tu, mimi sija exchange kitu kingine. Saida. Nakubeki na akujui. Si beki, mimi nimekuja nimekutolea head. So we go to lower time frame. Let's go to lower time frame. Let's go to lower time frame. As you can see, there's 3K there. There's liquidity at this particular area. There's liquidity at this area. So let's see if this, remember we've already noted that we have a very big range up to this entire area. So we might be interested in more sales than the buys. We might be interested in sales than buys. You can see these are around 2,400 watt pips. So we might be interested in sweeping this liquidity and this liquidity here. So we expect this market to come and tap this liquidity. So let the market come and tap anywhere close to my trade line here. That's what we're expecting from. See, that is So for now, we might be interested in more sales than buys. We're interested in more sales than buys. I said we have a very big range from this side, from here down here to this liquidity here. So we might be interested more in the sales than buys. So let's see. There's another liquidity here at this particular area. I hope the market will not tap and reverse. Some consolidation. Some consolidation here. Kafanya. So let's wait. And go to lower time frame. What is happening in lower time frame? There's liquidity also to be swept here. The market, man, so slow today. I don't know why the market is behaving like this, and this is New York. If I won't find an entry, I can leave a sell with my TP around this area here. The market is not behaving at all. Why should we go as far as 1 minute, man? The market is not behaving at all. market is not looking good at all at all. So this is the support zone in 1 minute and resistance in 1 minute. Again in 5 minutes the same. So the market is still within my zone, so I can go to as far as 1 minute of the entries. I'm waiting for the perfect entry. For now, sina haraka. Either to hit this resistance area here, though it's from my support, now you can see there are potential buys, but not promised buys, since the market is consolidating that particular area looking at 15 minutes. The market is not marketing. What? Mi sipati entry. Personally sipati entry. Now that candle imepandisha vizuri, so you can buy at target 29.16. A risky buy and target 29.16. It's not a very nice market. Not a very nice market at all at all. This is 4 hours. The market is still consolidating where it left yesterday. As you can see, the market is still playing games within this entire area here. So we want to cover this range here or this range here. So probability is high, the market might decide to come and do with this range here. And there's some liquidity at this particular area. So I might be looking for more sales. Now the 4-hour candle has around 29 minutes remaining to close that 24-hour candle. So bado tuko na safari. We still have a very long way to go. Let me hear where you're watching from. Kama umepata entry pia, share your entry with us. Matthew, umepata entry kweli? We can't force that market, we just wait. Hapo guys, mnanisikia fiti? We have this big range from here and here. Wallahi. This range here and this range here. Those are our main areas of focus. The market has already created some support at this particular area. But if it decides to break with a body, remember we have this complete range from here to here. Very many pips. So let's just see. Man. Hapa sipati entry. Sipati entry. I don't want to force the market to give me an entry. Sipati entry hapa. Entering that market will be like suicide. Big up Kamau. Big up Evelyn Kamau. Man, me sipati entry wallahi. Eh, God is slow. Why? God is very slow. Kwani kuna news Matthew? Kuna news kweli? Though I can see there is a meeting the entire day. I can see there's a meeting. Let me try and see from my Forex factory app. But if it closes below my support, below my 1 minute support zone, I can sell. Well, I can see there is a G20 meetings, G20 meetings the entire day. No wonder gold is behaving like this. Tomorrow we have an employment claim. Tomorrow is Thursday. Wow, very nice news tomorrow. Rate ingine kakisu. So participate entry. We have another news on Friday. CPI on Friday. We have CPI on Friday. So upper sipati entry. Guys, I want to be off. The market is not behaving. So let me wait for an entry. Nikipata ni sawa, nikikosa we meet tomorrow. So thank you guys for watching. See you in a minute.